All right, go ahead and label the topic combining expressions. It is Unit 2, Notes 8. All right, when we are adding expressions together, super easy. It's just like what we've already been doing. So expressions can be added by combining like terms. All right, and be sure your answers are written so the term with the variable is the first term in the expression. And then the constant, which remember is just the number by itself, we like to write that last. All right, so example number 1, you see here we have these two expressions that they put in parentheses. So here's the first expression, here's the second expression, and we are just adding the two things together. So all we're gonna do is combine like terms, which you're already familiar with. So we have negative 4k plus 12k. So negative 4 plus 12, don't forget that will be labeled with the k. And then we also have the constants. We have negative 4 minus 2. Negative 4 minus 2, and then we'll solve both of those. Negative 4 plus 12 will get us 8, so we have 8k. Negative 4 minus 6, or sorry, negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6. So here is our simplified expression. And we're done because we cannot add or subtract variables with constants. All right, go ahead and try numbers 2 and 4 on your own. Pause the video here to try them. Okay, you should have paused the video and tried 2 and 4 on your own before watching this answer. So number 2, we're gonna combine our like terms. So all the x's add together. So we have negative 8x plus 5x. Negative 8 plus 5 is going to be negative 3. Don't forget your x attached. And then we have positive 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 equals positive 4, so we're adding 4. And number 4, we have negative 1 plus 6. So negative 1 plus 6, that's going to get us positive 5. And then for our variable terms, we have 4a plus a. Remember, that's plus 1a. If you don't see it, it's a 1 there. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Don't forget the a attached. And it is positive. One thing that I'm forgetting here, though, what we wrote in at the top in the beginning here. We need to write the term with the variable first in the expression. So instead of 5 plus 5a, we need to swap it so it's 5a plus 5 at the end. Now I'm done. Okay. So subtracting is almost the same way. We will also combine like terms. However, first you have to distribute the negative symbol first. Okay, so let's take a look at number 9 together. I'm going to rewrite my first expression because that's not changing. Now I am subtracting, right? I'm subtracting off this entire expression right here. So it's not just going to be minus 7n. This negative sign, just like on our distribution notes or distributive property notes, notes 5, we need to distribute the negative sign to everything inside the parentheses. Okay, and remember all that does if there's no number out there is change the symbol. So we had a positive 7n, so now we have a negative 7n. We had a positive 6 or a plus 6, now we have a minus 6. Now you can go ahead and combine like terms. We've got 8n minus 7n. 8 minus 7 is 1. Don't forget your n. And we've got positive 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 is negative 3. And then also you could just write this as n minus 3. We don't necessarily need that 1 right there. So I would write n minus 3. All right, we'll do another one together. Number 10. So write your first expression, just pull that straight down. We are going to distribute your negative sign to everything inside the parentheses. So now, remember that just flips the sign again. Instead of negative 2x, we have plus 2x. Instead of negative 6, we have plus 6. Now combine like terms. 5x plus 2x is 7x. Negative 7 plus 6 is negative 1. And 7x minus 1 is my final simplified expression. All right, go ahead and flip onto the back. I want you to do numbers, let's see. Let's do 22 and 25 on your own. So pause the video here and try them on your own. All right, you should have paused and tried before you see the answers. Number 22, you should have gotten 3a minus 7. This one was just addition, so we did not have to do any distributing. We just combined like terms. Number 25, we did have a subtraction problem, so we had to distribute that negative symbol first, and you should have ended with 2x plus 8y. If you got either of those wrong, pause the video, stop where you are, raise your hand, ask for help, or ask a friend for clarification. Okay, do not continue on to the homework until you can get these right. Okay, if you need an extra one to practice, you can try number 26. The answer for 26 should be 8x minus 12y minus 8.